In this video I'm going to show you how to enable FaceTime Live Photos on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Settings and there scroll all the way down until you find FaceTime. And here scroll down for a bit and here you can find FaceTime Live Photos option. If this option is enabled, it allows live photos to be captured during a FaceTime video call. So, if you want, you can disable that option just by tapping on that switcher, or you can enable this option to allow FaceTime to make live photos during a FaceTime call. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.